Have you ever wanted Claude to have full access to your WordPress website, create blog posts for you, manage your users, tags and categories, everything you could imagine? Let me show you how you can do that. Hi, my name is Arshia Kahani, and today I'm going to show you how you can use FlowHunt to integrate WordPress into Claude using MCP servers. So, first thing first, you must go to the integrations and make sure your WordPress is integrated. Now, there is a full video on how you can have custom AI agents in WordPress, so I'm going to link it up in the top, and you can press on it to see how you can do that. So when you have your WordPress integrated into FlowHunt, after that you can go over to your MCP servers, add MCP server, and scroll all the way down until you find WordPress. Once you did that, you can select every single tool that you want. Here I'm going to choose all of them because why not? This choosing all of them allows the MCP server to manage your categories, your users, your media, your posts, your pages, your plugins, and even your comments and moderators. So we can choose Claude WordPress and add the MCP server. After that, you can go to the Connect tab and change from FlowHunt to Claude. And in here, this will give you a link. So we have full tutorial on how you can do that. It says Claude AI settings integrations. Once you click on that link, here you'll be greeted by all of your connectors within your Claude services, but keep in mind that some of the Claude plans, free plans, don't have access to this feature. So you must make sure that your plan is compatible with this. So next up, we have an integration URL. So when you copy that over here, you can go back onto Claude and add a custom connector. Once you do that, we can say FlowHunt WordPress. I messed up the caps lock, that's fine. And we can have our URL here. So if we add that, we can see that FlowHunt WordPress is added as a custom connector within our Claude. So if we were to go to chat and start a new chat, we can go to the settings and we can see FlowHunt WordPress is enabled. So if we were to say use the FlowHunt MCP server to create a small blog post in my WordPress, it's going to reroute the MCP server into FlowHunt and then from FlowHunt to WordPress. So here we can say allow always, and it's going to have the authority it needs to create. Great, I can see your WordPress is called Phoenix Health. So allow always again. Tagline standard, we follow. Now let me create a blog post for you. There we go. WordPress list categories. So it's listing all my categories. It's checking for the categories. It first got all the information from my website to see what it is, what we have there. And these are all different tools. So you have to allow once when the chatbot is using them. You need to always allow them once, and then after that you can keep on using them. So now it's using the WordPress create post tool. So it's going to correct the array format. This is really nice to see everything that's happening. Perfect, I've successfully created a blog post for your Phoenix Health WordPress site using the FlowHunt WordPress API. That's awesome. So if we were to click on if we go to our posts in WordPress and refresh the page once, there it is, 5 essential daily habits for better health and wellness. So we just created a brand new blog post based on all the information that we have on the site. I didn't even tell it what to write. So what it did was to first go through our site, get all the information to see what our site is about and why we want to do this. And then it listed all my categories to have a better understanding on what type of blog I want to write, since I didn't give it a topic to write on. And then it created the post, and then it corrected all the format so that it ensures that the blog post is as nice as possible. So here it is, the blog post with all the proper H2s and H3s and H1s. If this is interesting to you, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy your day.